Hi folks, Ben with Solaris WaterGen, and in this video we're going to show you how to get access to the front water tank, and we're going to show you how to clean it as well. Now this is something we do for you. If this ever happens to you, it's a very rare case, but if it does, reach out to us, contact us, and we're going to take care of this for you. We're going to clean it and send it right back to you. But in this video, this is particularly for individuals who are handy or don't have the time to send it to us and they just want to take care of it themselves. So one thing to know is the reason why you would ever have to get to the front tank or ever have to clean this is because this unit may be off for a long period of time. It's essentially a small refrigeration unit. It's got a compressor in it, Freon, and it needs to be constantly circulating the water and running through the UV light as well. And so it just needs to be plugged in, doesn't need to be turned on, because even when it's turned off, every 4 hours it's going to do its job and it's going to cycle and run through the UV light as well. So important to note that it needs to stay plugged in if you're going out on vacation or power gets shut down for an extended period of time. Other than that, yeah, we're going to show you guys how to get to it. The other thing I want to mention is an indication that the water may not be as clean as you'd like is, if you see residue in there, or if the water's just not as clear as it normally may be. So yeah, let's get started and we're going to show you guys how to get to this unit, all right?
Hi, this is Matt from Solaris WaterGen. As Ben mentioned, in this video we're going to take this pretty machine apart so we can show you how it looks inside and how to clean the water tank. So first thing what you want to do is, of course, shut this off, unplug it from the power, and then remove those panels right there, remove the filter, and we're going to start from this side. So as you can see, there are 4 screws right here, and there's 2 more screws right here that we're going to remove. So let's just do that. It's pretty fast. It's a very simple process. If you have the right tools, you can do it pretty fast. Whoops. And there are 2 right here on this side. Those are longer ones. Those are longer ones, only 2. Now, you will not be able to remove this panel yet because you need to remove also the panels on this side. So, take this out. You can actually leave those filters in it. There are 2 screws right here. 1, and there's just 2. There's 2 more right here. All right, and then we got 3 screws holding this panel from the top. And take this out. All right, so now the next step is to take the top panel off. Now we can remove the side panels. There's a little trick to it, because what you got to do, you can't just pull them like this. You have to lift them up and then pull. You see those little kind of like a teeth? So that's why they holding this together. Now we're gonna turn this around and we're gonna do the same thing here. I pull it and then remove it. Now we have to get the access to the front panel, so I gotta remove those 6 screws here on the side. Okay, so now the machine is ready for the next step. I want to just show you on this one. We're not going to remove the tank from this machine, but this is how it looks inside. So this is the front tank that we're going to clean. But in order to do that, I'm gonna show it to you on the other machine. Okay, so the next step is to remove this tank from here. Let me show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. The first, what you need to do, there are 4 screws. There are 2 screws right here and 2 on the other side. So this way we can pull the tank out. I'm gonna use my glasses because I can't see. Oh, actually this actually is already removed one here for the instruction purposes, but here you go. Is one, and there are 2 more on this side. Then we can pull it out. Now there are 2 more screws on this side right here. This one is already unscrewed, but it goes, you can use your drill right here and just remove it, but it's out. This one is not. All right, and then we got 6 screws right here. You can pull it just gently. Make sure you're not gonna damage anything. And the other one was removed. And you want to put the machine on the edge because it's so much easier to remove it. As you can see right now, this is the cooling element right here, and this is the level actually that goes up and down, which is a sensor for that display. So usually you might see some residue here, so you just need to clean it with a dish soap and warm water. The same thing, clean up those pipes right here, those parts right here, and of course cooling element. Make sure it's all cleaned up, and just put it back together, and basically that's it. It's pretty simple, but for some people it might be inconvenient, so we still can do it for you at no charge. You ship the machine back to us, we clean it, and we ship it back to you. We pay for the shipping, we pay for the cleaning, but if you want to do it yourself, you're more than welcome to do so.